It's happened to all of us, right? We find the perfect curtains, we bring them home, we hang them up on a new curtain rod, and they look like the curtain here. When really what you want them to look like is you want them to look evenly spaced and perfect, like the curtains over here. You've seen some videos on TikTok or other social media platforms where people will put toilet paper rolls on their curtain rods to give that even spacing. Now, I don't know about you, but I have 5 very large windows that I bought these curtains for, and it would take me forever to save up enough toilet paper rolls to get the look that I want to achieve. I'm going to show you a really easy DIY hack. It's inexpensive and you're going to love it, and you're going to have that professional interior decorator look for your curtains. So let's check it out. So what I've done, instead of using the toilet paper rolls, is I went to my big box store, my hardware store, and I picked up this foam pipe insulation. This 6-foot section was under $2.50, and I'm going to be able to do several curtains with just this one piece. Now, since I planned on doing this, I haven't been saving my toilet paper rolls. I need to know the approximate size. So I grabbed a roll of my Who Gives a Crap toilet paper out of my bathroom, and I'm going to go ahead and measure. It's going to be about 4 inches. So you want to cut your pipe insulation in 4-inch sections. You can start by measuring out your first section at 4 inches right here, and just mark this with your kitchen scissors, just like that. This cuts easily. You don't need anything special, just your kitchen scissors. Don't use your sewing scissors, but just your kitchen scissors will work. And I'm just going to go ahead. It doesn't have to be perfect. If it's a little lopsided on one end, it's okay. But just turn this around. And here you have your 4-inch section. Now, what's really nice about these is if you want to, you can take your curtain rod down, slide this right over your curtain rod, or if your curtains are already in place like mine are, this already has a cutout in it right here. All you have to do is take your scissors and go ahead and just finish cutting this along this outer edge here. Now this piece of foam insulation is ready to just slide over your curtain rod. One thing that I found really nice about using these is the toilet paper rolls are thin and flimsy, and sometimes they're just the right size where they'll slide through the grommet openings on your curtains. These are wide enough, you don't have that problem. Go ahead and use this now as a template to mark out additional 4-inch sections and cut out as many as you'll need. I'm going to cut these out, and then we'll see about getting them up onto the curtain rods. Make sure you have something down too so that you don't have this mess here. This way I'm not going to end up with this all over my bed. I'm going to cut out some more, and I'll come back when I've got them all done. Okay, I finished cutting my sections and splitting them down the middle where that pre-cut line is, and I ended up with 17 little sections to make my curtains look like they've been professionally hung. I'm going to be able to finish the rest of my bedroom curtains with just the one piece of insulation cut into these 4-inch sections. Now, I showed you earlier the curtain over my bed that needs to be completed. I'm going to go ahead and show you how I'm going to hang these up over my little fireplace in my bedroom because it's easier for me to access. I'm going to have to stand on my bed to do the other ones, and nobody wants to see that. Okay, hopefully you can hear me okay. I have several of my sections here at the ready. I have a step stool handy so I can reach up here, and I'm going to show you exactly where to place these. So where this pocket fold is right here, where this pleat is, this little piece is going to go behind it on the curtain rod. I find it easiest to just start on one end, put it on the curtain rod, and move on down as you go. So these are cut open. I'm just going to reach behind the curtain and just simply slip it right over the curtain rod. I give it a little twist so that the cut part is now to the back instead of straight up and down. And this part of your section is ready to go. Now I'm going to do this section here. There's my second one, and now my third one. And there we have it. This window over my fireplace. The curtains are evenly spaced. They look beautiful. I do need to get my steamer out and maybe run the steamer over them a little bit so the pleats will not have those creases in them, but they look so much better than they did before. Now the trick is to climb up on the bed and finish the other side of the bed, and I'll take a video after I'm done with that. All right, over the bed has been completed. I have yet to steam them. The headboard's a little close. There's nothing I can do about that today. And it seems like if you notice here on this side, I have a little extra. I can actually take one of the panels off and use it somewhere else in my home. However, I have to wait for hubby to come home and help me with that because I don't want to break my neck on that step stool. I'm going to just go ahead and say you're welcome for keeping much of that off camera because it wasn't pretty, let me tell you. But you know what is pretty? These curtains. I love them. I love the uniform look. They look so much better than they did before. And I'm so happy that I was able to do this all throughout my house. I'll take a couple of videos to show you the other windows that I did, and then we'll wrap up our video. So I hope you enjoyed this little look at how to make these little spacers for your curtains to make them look like they're professional. Looks like you really have the DIY knowledge on home interior design. Until I see you again here on the farm, take care of yourself, take care of each other, and have a blessed day. Thank you so much for watching. Bye-bye.